Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you some characters. Okay, let's start out with Oscorp. For now I think we will be Dr. Doom 2099. I don't think we should use any extras for this one. Okay, let's see the story. There's Spider-Man. Of course it's the Goblin. Why do there always have to be Goblins? What? Okay, why? Why did you put flowers in there? Okay. Okay, let's... Okay. Here's a Hawkeye. We need to do all these at the same time. Wow! Isn't this great? Now all these. Cool. Cool. So cool. Like, oh, if you try to do this, why don't you try to make your own videos? But if you're a teenager and you try to publish your own videos, and you have a computer, then a computer like that kind of computer, then you can publish them onto YouTube if you have the YouTube channel. So let's beep. Oh, why didn't I target that one? Sorry about that, guys. Why didn't I target that first one? Do this again. Maybe I need to step back a little. Aha! There's the question. Let's get through here. Goblin! Oh, please, Goblin, no! Ah, you're trying to make this hard for me? Well, you're not. Hey. Well, if you do, I am going to kill you. Well, of course I'm not. Well, I'm not actually going to kill you. Now let's be Dr. Doom 2099 here. Now, ooh, now what? Well, I've played this level, but I'm just showing you around. Now? Ooh, cool. Let's turn back into Doomy here. What's here? Ah! Watch out for that big thing. If you have this game... Alright, now let's go. Come on. Oh no! Never thought I'd be seeing the symbiote suit. But why would you mutate a person? For God's sakes. For God's sakes, why? Oh, God, we got the symbiote. You don't want the symbiote because it can drain your when you destroy something, the coins just randomly come to you. Yeah, we finished the level. Now, what level are we doing next? What level are we doing next? Hold on a second, guys. I gotta go do something.
That was from Sleeping Beauty.
Alright. Hey, we're back. Now we're back. I'm back. Alright.
How come?
Oh, my mama and papa are here.